Welcome back to Autocars Play. Today, we're diving deep into the luxurious and commanding presence of the 2026 BMW X7, a full-size SUV that redefines what it means to travel in ultimate comfort, performance, and prestige. This isn't just a refresh, it's BMW's vision of the future of luxury mobility. The new X7 takes sophistication and technology to an entirely new level, making it one of the most desirable SUVs in its class. The first thing you notice about the 2026 BMW X7 is its bold and confident exterior design. BMW has refined its signature kidney grille with a more futuristic look, paired with sleek split LED headlights that give the SUV a sharper and more aggressive front profile. The long, sculpted hood, chrome accents, and 22-inch alloy wheels emphasize its grandeur and presence on the road. The rear gets elegant LED tail lights connected by a chrome bar, along with a sporty bumper and dual exhaust outlets that add a hint of athleticism to its luxury appeal. Step inside, and the cabin welcomes you into a world of elegance and innovation. The 2026 X7 offers one of the most luxurious interiors in the segment, featuring premium leather upholstery, customizable ambient lighting, and real wood or aluminum trim. The dual curved display seamlessly combines a 14.9-inch infotainment screen and a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster powered by BMW's latest iDrive 9 system. The system supports wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, voice commands, and even gesture controls for added convenience. Passengers in all three rows enjoy exceptional space, while the optional executive lounge package transforms the rear seats into first-class accommodations with ventilated, massaging functions and individual entertainment screens under the hood. The 2026 BMW X7 offers a range of powerful engine options. The base variant features a 3.0-liter turbocharged inline-six with mild hybrid technology, delivering around 380 horsepower, while the M60i variant brings the power of a 4.4-liter twin-turbo V8 with 530 horsepower. Both engines are paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission and BMW's xDrive all-wheel drive system, ensuring smooth power delivery and superior traction in all conditions. With adaptive air suspension and rear-wheel steering, the X7 delivers both comfort and agility, a rare combination in a full-size luxury SUV. Safety and technology are at the heart of the 2026 X7. BMW has equipped it with the latest driver assistance features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system. There's also a semi-autonomous driving mode for highways, making long-distance journeys more effortless than ever. In essence, the 2026 BMW X7 is not just about power and prestige, it's about the experience. It's designed for those who want an SUV that combines elegance, technology, and performance in one perfect package. Whether you're behind the wheel or relaxing in the back seat, the X7 delivers a level of luxury and sophistication that few can match. So, if you're looking for the future of luxury SUVs, the 2026 BMW X7 is the name you'll never forget. Stay tuned and make sure to subscribe to Autocars Play for more amazing car reviews and updates from the world of automotive excellence.